My name is Anjali. Now I am currently pursuing second year BTech in Vasireddy Venkatadri Institute of Technology from CSC department. Today's my topic is insertion sort. Insertion sort is the application of array. Now let us see the definition of array, syntax of array, initialization, compile time initialization and runtime initialization, and insertion sort, program procedure and explanation. First of all, what is array? An array is a derived data type variable. It is a collection of homogeneous elements. It can be referred as a single unit. An array is an object that holds a fixed number of values of homogeneous or similar data type. Or an array is a data structure where we store similar elements. The length of an array is assigned when the array is created, and after creation, its length is fixed. Syntax of the array is data type, array name, size. Data type will be referred which type of element can be stored. Array name will be referred as the identifier name. Size will be referred how many types of data types can be stored in a array. For example, int a of new equal to int 6. It will create an array of length 6 and the index value will always start from 0. Now I have taken the values in array 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. The index value start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the index positions. Next, initialization of arrays. Initialization can be done in two ways. First one is compile time initialization and second one is runtime initialization. First, elements can be initialized when they are declared in the same way as ordinary variables. Next, unspecified elements will be set to 0 automatically. It will be defaultly set as 0. Array declarations may omit the size. Global variables zeroed before main is called not with CCS. Problems with C initialization of arrays: no convenient way to initialize selected elements, no shortcut to initialize large number of elements. Compile time initialization. During the execution of program, the values can be assigned to a particular variable. Such type of initialization is called compile time initialization. How the compile time initialization can be achieved? With the help of assignment operator, we can achieve the compile time initialization. Next, it is here we can see the example of compile time initialization. Data type, array name, size equals to list of elements. This is also a syntax of compile time initialization. Next, here array number of size 3 and will assign 4 to first element, 5 is assigned with second element and 9 is assigned with the third element. If the number of values in the list is less than the number of elements, then only that many elements will be initialized. The remaining elements will be set as defaultly as 0 automatically. Next, runtime initialization. In runtime initialization, after execution of program, the values can be assigned to a particular variable is called runtime initialization. How the runtime initialization can be achieved? In any input statements, that is scanf, getf, putf, with combination of iterative statements like for, while, do while for each, we can achieve the runtime initialization. In runtime initialization, the array is explicitly initialized at runtime. This concept generally used for initializing the large arrays. Example, for I assigned with 0, it is the initialization. I less than 100, it is the condition. I plus plus, it is the increment. Next, In for loop, we write a if condition. If I less than 50, sum of I equals to 0, else sum of I equal to 1. Here, first 50 elements of the array, some are initialized to 0 and the remaining 50 elements are initialized to 1 at runtime. Next, insertion sort. Sorting. First, sorting is the process or mechanism to rearrange the given list of elements in a particular order, either ascending order or descending order. Now, in the section, we choose a ascending order. Sorting can be divided into two ways. One is comparison based approach. Another one is a non-comparison based approach. Comparison based approach can be divided into bubble sort, insertion sort, selection sort, quick sort, merge sort, heap sort, and non-comparison based is counting sort, radix sort. Now I am choosing the topic called insertion sort. Insertion sort. Insertion sort is a sorting mechanism. Insertion sort will be similar to plain card game like Rummy. In insertion, the index value starts from index 1 and the element is assigned to the previous element. If the given condition true, the element is copied to the right side. If the given condition is false, the element will be stable in current position. This process continues till the list of elements are arranged in a sorting order. Now let us see the example. Now I take in the elements in the array as 85, 12, 59, 45, 72 and 51. Assume 85 is a sorted list of first item. 85 greater than 12, so it can be copied to the right side. So insert 12 in that place and 85 greater than 59 and it can be moved to the right. Here at 12 less than 59, so insert 59 in that place. 85 greater than 55, shift it to the right. 59 greater than 45, shift it to the right. And here 12 less than 45, so insert 45 in that place. Next, 85 greater than 72, shift it to the right. And 59 less than 72, so insert 72 in that place. 85 greater than 51, shift it to the right. Next, 72 greater than 51 and it can be copied to the right side. 59 greater than 51, shift it to the right. 45 less than 51, so insert 51 in that place. In sorting, there are many types of sorting techniques are there. Some of them are bubble sort, insertion sort, select sort, quick sort, merge sort, radix sort. Bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, it is applicable for only small data type elements. Next, quick sort, merge sort, radix sort, these are applicable for large data set of elements. Now let us see the example of program of insertion sort. Now I take the header file as include stdio.h. Now main function. From main function, the program will be executed. I take the data type int, array name size 100 and size referred as n, I, jar, temporary iterative variables, temp assigned with 0. Printf, enter the size of array. Scanf, it a percentage, ampersand n. Scanf will be read the all elements. Next, printf, enter %d elements one by one, size. For I assigned with 0, I less than n, I plus plus. In the for loop, I write the input statement scanf %d, ampersand a of I. Print before sorting the array elements are for I n with 0, I less than n, I plus plus, printf %d from element to element gap, we use \t. Next, in insertion sort, the sorting starts from 1, so that's why I take I value as 1. For isn with 1, I less than n, I plus plus. Jsn with I, while j greater than 0, this is the condition, and a of j minus 1 greater than a of j. In the while loop, temp equal to a of j equal to a of j minus 1, a of j minus 1 equal to temp j minus minus. Printf after sorting the array elements are printf after sorting the array elements are for isn with 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Printf the %d \t comma a of I. Now let us see the output. First, enter size of an array. Now I take the array size as 6. Enter 6 elements one by one. 85, 12, 59, 45, 72, 51. Before sorting, the array elements are 85, 12, 59, 45, 72, 51. After sorting, the array elements are 12, 45, 51, 59, 72, 85. This process continues till the elements are arranged in a sorting order. Thank you all.